On TV, Carrie Bradshaw had Manhattan. In real life, Stephanie Ann has Downriver, Michigan, where the TV was always on, therapy was something only crazy people did, and you really, really do have to tell white people to wash their legs in the shower. I grew up on sitcoms that fixed trauma in 22 minutes flat, game shows that made us believe bad luck came in the form of a whammy, and Law & Order SVU, which taught me everyone's guilty and to lock my doors but unlock my drawers for guys that look like Christopher Maloney. Somewhere between the reruns, remotes, and falling asleep to voices that never ghosted me, I had to ask, do we still have a love for television?
Growing up, we didn't have much, but we always had TV. TV was our safe space, our comfort. Even in the most awkward dinner moments when my cousin would come over and sit down and our IBS would kick in, TV just made us get through it and filled in all of those awkward silences between the toots. TV raised us.
TV babysitters. Do you know how hard it is to be hard watching Darkwing Duck? That little girl was something.
TV emotionally traumatized us. I saw the second tower come down in biology class.
Scruff McGruff told me to take a bite out of crime. So I bit my uncle and I f***ed up Thanksgiving.
I like that show where they grunt like, what if they made that in Detroit?
Yo, what?
My neighbor.
Now, you know, if you say that word, I'm going to have to call a lawyer.
I guess they'll say pendejo, so white people don't know what that is.
Okay, you unlocked your brown powers. I get it. Love it.
That's how TV taught us morals. Smile, be polite, and suffer silently.
That's why TV dads drink.
They had families and zero coping skills.
At least they all had a recliner.
Sometimes TV didn't need a daddy. Sometimes you just need a really strong woman.
Mom, YouTube is TV. That's all I watch.
Son, YouTube is not television. Television was something great when we were children. Things were amazing on TV. You could go on a trip on the Love Boat and sail the 7 seas and fall in love with the person you were meant to be with. Or you could go and read a book and take a look and explore Reading Rainbow.
YouTube is TV because there's TV shows such as Goosebumps, and there's also non-TV shows like Try Not to Laugh challenges, and you guys are just saying that it's not TV.
It's not. I mean, that's my real life. Autism backing track and all. And let's be honest, that be spitting sometimes, alright? But truly, all I'm trying to do in life is just pay all my bills on one income.
One income? That's how I know it's shit's fake.
I wanted to be the perfect TV dad. I wanted to be just like my TV heroes. Dad's got to do what the dad's got to do. See?
I want to be on a show where we can do some awesome stunts.
Dude, welcome to Zackass. We're gonna play Weibo. And we're gonna through a table and wake up Phil. Abe's gonna get so mad. We're gonna wake up Phil and blow up Don Vito's car after, dude.
I'm just here for white people.
I'm Ophelia and I'm here for the World Star video. But are white people allowed on World Star?
No.
Yes.
Thank y'all for watching Zackass, dude. Bam.
I'm Stephanie Ann. And this is
the
Nico! Yeah!